Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you my dear subscribers and my all lovely viewers? Today I am showing you very attractive and very cute and stylish kids bed sheets designs ideas knitted with wool and yarn. Crochet knitted bed sheets you will see in my video. If you are looking for inspiration for your child's bedroom, you have come to the right place. We have curated a collection of the most whimsical and dreamy bed sheets for kids that will transport your little ones to a world of imagination and wonder. From playful patterns to soothing colors, our selection of kids bed sheets is sure to delight both parents and children alike. Our video is dedicated to showcasing the best kids bed sheets and bed spread that will make bedtime a fun and cozy experience. Whether your child loves animal, space, or superheroes, we have got you covered. Our bed spreads are not only stylish but also comfortable and durable, ensuring a good night's sleep for your little ones. So my dear friends, if you like my video, please press the like button, and after watching the video you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see in our channel videos. If you want to get these beautiful and attractive bedsheet designs, pictures, images and patterns, you can easily download from our website www.crocheter.net. You can easily unlimited download all these patterns from there. So my dear friends, please visit my website and download, and please share my video with your friends and your family, because everyone needs styling. And thank you so much guys for your positive feedback in my previous videos. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you. Keep watching.